Faustino Boji D. III, Speaker, House of Representatives, Batasan Hills, Quezon City. RE, Articles of Impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Your Honor, the Senate is in receipt of the resolution setting forth the Articles of Impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, including all annexes thereto, transmitted by the House of Representatives. Pursuant to Rule 1 of the Senate Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the Senate has taken proper order of the impeachment and shall immediately proceed to its consideration, consistent with its mandate under Article 11, Section 3 of the Constitution. The Secretariat has been directed to include the articles of impeachment in the calendar for ordinary business for referral to the impeachment court, which shall be convened on 18 May 2026, 3 p.m. or at the possible soonest time, absent any question on the rules and procedure related to the transmitted articles. The parties shall in due course be directed to appear before the Senate sitting as an impeachment court on a date to be determined subsequently. We trust the foregoing is in order. Thank you. Very truly yours, Alan Peter Cayetano, Senate President. Copy furnished the Honorable Zara Z. Duterte, Vice President, Republic of the Philippines. So we'll send this. Pagka-send, we'll give you a copy. Someone comes. Sir Jen Silva.
Sir, sa kaliwa, sir.
Nakakita ngayon ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano yung kanyang mga dokumento kung saan ito na
Before I send that, let me tell you a little bit more about the procedure, okay? So sa Monday, nasa order of business yon. Ibibigay sa rules like any other. Yung majority leader, acting majority leader, kanyang i-represent, no? The likely scenario is we will organize muna the Senate, so may mga committees, take that up. From the majority side, kasi nag-focus kami kagabi, I don't see any amendments to the rules. So if there's going to be any, I'm not saying there will be, I want to be clear, I'm not accusing anyone of delays. I'm saying it won't come from the majority kasi nag-meeting kami kagabi. We are happy with the former rules. Kung ano yung good na rules kay sa mga dating na-impeach, good din sa amin ngayon. So, kaya lang, hindi ko matatanggal yung karapatan ng bawat senador na tumayo. Ang problema, madidelay kung babaguhin pa yung rules kasi ipapublish pa ulit yon. But from the majority, that's why sa letter, I just wanted to be safe. Sinabi ko doon, on Monday, or the soonest time, or forthwith, no? If everyone agrees on the rule, I do not see any reason why hindi kami makapag-convene sa Monday. So, ano mangyayari pag nag-convene? And then may motion to convene. Ako muna mag-oath as presiding officer of the impeachment court. And then yung 23 na senador. After that, our job is to issue the summons. Okay? And then from that time on, pag sumagot na, di ba, under na yung process. I'll brief you more about the process later on. And probably, kung hindi Monday mismo or Tuesday, we will have a focus para yung calendar. So the biggest issue for me is the balancing between the legislative work given the mga crisis na humaharap. Kung maganda takbo na ekonomiya and we don't need any urgent legislation, pwedeng mag 90-95% sa impeachment court. Unless nga sabi ng mga senador, pwede pa rin, bilisan na lang. But you know, madaling yung sarili mo lang inasahan mo. Halimbawa, Alan, bilisan mo sa pagpunta ng Senate. Alan, bilisan mo yung sulat. That's under my control more or less, di ba? But when you say it's a trial, you cannot stop both sides from presenting the number of witnesses na gusto nilang sabihin. So, madaling sabihin, bilisan, at madaling sabihin, it will finish by this month or that month. But all of those will be approximations.
So,
Okay, any
ibig
question?
convene po as in lead. Pero how about the trial proper?
When is the latest trial going to
Once
happen?
you convene and issue the summons, diretso na yun.
Pero yung
So,
trial
ako,
proper is...
yung trial proper po ay after all the
Yeah,
procedures.
Susundin mo lang yung number of days. So walang delay yun. Kung ano na sa rules, kung ano na constitution. Yan.
But the trial proper maybe in June, sir, the trial proper?
Trial proper.
July?
I don't want to preempt the calendar. But if it's 15 days, so we will follow. Actually, what we're doing now, after the meeting, then seeing you, we're gonna make a draft calendar. So the calendar will not be based on anything that is discretionary. It will be based on objectivity. So kung nakalagay sa rules, ganitong number of days para sumagot, this number of days sumagot, then trial na kagad.
So ano po ngayon ang sagot, SP, doon sa sinabi na yung pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado ay para ma-block yung impeachment trial?
Again, I'm trying to get a united Senate. Unprecedented yung attack against the Senate. First, nung Monday na hinabol sa loob sa loob ng Senate ang isang senador, ginulpe ang isang member ng USAA, and then last night, the armed attack on the Senate, unprecedented yan. Diba? So, I'm trying to unite the Senate, the senators are people, by just simply following the law. The Constitution, our rules, and what is right. Diba? So, sabi ko naman sa inyo lahat, dalawa lang libro ko, yung Bible, yung Constitution. Everything else follows. Even the Constitution for me has to follow the Bible. Diba? Having said that, we will follow. So walang magiging delays. I can tell you anything now as you asked, diba, kailan yung trial. So if I have the trial July, August, then dinelay ko.
Offhand lang, SP, for you, yung trial po ba ay dapat araw-araw, Monday to Friday, or MWF? Offhand for you, what would you
Offhand,
suggest?
either Monday to Wednesday or Monday to Thursday. Definitely hanggang the Friday because you need a motion day. Diba? So, and the question for me, the bigger question to me, is it Monday to Wednesday whole day,
Okay.
and then Thursday may committee hearings, or is it Monday to Thursday, half day hearings, half day ano? So definitely mag-extend kami, di ba? So kung dati naghi-hearing ka either 9, 10 o'clock hanggang 2:45 or 3, and then 3 to 7 or 8 yung ano. Nagagawa naman namin sa budget yung magdamagan eh. But remember, I think mga 2 weeks yun eh, na magdamagan. So I don't think kaya naman yung magdamagan ng 2 months, di ba?
2 months.
I don't know eh. I don't know. It depends kasi kung ilan witnesses. It depends sa articles. That's why I don't want to speculate.
Pero SP, yung convene sa Monday na talaga, convene na.
In my letter, we're bound by that. Sa caucus, agree kami lahat. There's no reason whatsoever to dilly-dally. Okay? Having said that, syempre, kung may nag-bring up na eto yung mga ganyan, etc., bukas na yan or whatever ganyan, baka magbotohan. But so far, yung aming 13, ang sinasabi, there's no reason why not to convene and take our oaths on
So
Monday.
just to be sure, you are asking the prosecution team to be here on Monday for the...
It's their option.
To what, sir? To report, sir, about the articles of
Hindi,
impeachment?
kasi
Yan
yung
po ba?
tinignan ko yung dating precedents, the article itself is the presentation. Di ba? So actually, they can or cannot be here. Kasi the articles, dahil yan naman yung, kumbaga yan yung asunto eh, yun yung charge sa'yo. So ang process, yung summons, para sumagot naman yung kabila.
Who will read the articles of impeachment? Who will read the articles of impeachment? The prosecutor or kayo po sa Monday?
Sa Monday, malamang yun yung, ano, yung pagbigay nga namin sa Madjo. Pero the impeachment court has a life of its own. So depende sa mga motions na maganap doon sa impeachment court. May question?
Wala na pong debate about the convening.
On our side, wala. On the majority side, wala. Hindi ko alam sa minority.
Pero SP,
Diba? I'd like to consult them but I'll only see them on Monday. Medyo busy sila ngayon na trinatry kausapin yung mga membro namin na sumali ulit sa kanila.
SP kahapon
So may coup attempts na naman, sir? Against you naman na yan, sir?
Suggest, ano naman, expected naman.
Who told you that, sir? From the majority?
Oo.
Na kinakausap nila, sir?
May invitations to talk, may pananakot, but dati na silang takot eh. So,
But your 13 is solid. But your 13 is solid.
you're always solid until you're not. But I believe in the 13, I believe in our cause.
Sino nililagawan nila?
Kinakausap, sir? Ilan yung kinakausap?
Hindi ko pa nakakausap lahat kasi nagyayangan na mag-meeting ngayon. Sabi ko, magtrabaho muna tayo, magtawagan na lang tayo. Because nga, you know, that's the nature of, di ba dati kasi you have 3 or 4 major newspapers, maybe 4 major news networks, then maraming tabloid, and maraming radyo. Ngayon kasi with SOCMED, anyone can say anything. Di ba? And anyone can interpret anything that way. But yun nga ang challenge ko ngayon. Di ba? Trabaho or mamulitika. Di ba? So, my only choice is to do the work, then be completely honest with you. So, in an hour, I will be completely honest what happened kay Senator Bato and where the investigation with the PNP is. But uulitin ko lang PNP, AFP, lahat, NBI, hindi tayo magkakalaban, we're one government. Diba? But we have to respect the judiciary, the same manner the executive, but also respect the legislative department. So in the same manner, kung may fake news, I expect them to address that immediately.
Sir, di ba nag-focus about sa impeachment? So, wala mo bang uusbong, wala kayang surpresang susulpot na motion from the majority bloc para pag nag-convene na kayo sa impeachment court ay ipa-dismiss yung articles of impeachment?
So, you always talk in the realm of probabilities and possibilities. Okay? In a collegial body, there's always a possibility, kahit sa minority. Kahit sabihin mong before the oath, hindi impartial lahat, merong gusto mag-dismiss, meron hindi, etc.
Pero was it discussed?
So I can only discuss with you my call. I cannot talk for everyone. I can tell you kung ano na pag-usapan, and everyone said we should have the trial, and there's no walang isa man nagsabing hindi mag-trial. So I can only answer myself. I will act in accordance with the rules. There always has to be legal grounds, and I will decide based on truth and
Dun
evidence.
sa 13, walang nagsabi na
Sa 13, walang nagsabing ayaw mag-trial.
Makakadali po kaya, so magagampanan kaya ni Senator Bato? Magagampanan mo kaya ni Senator Bato ang pagiging senator judge ng walang panganib o risk na arrest?
I'll answer all questions, Senator Moto, mamaya, but quickly, I hope so. Hindi ko hawak yung attendance at yung di ba? I hope ma-resolve ng korte kasi pag wala naman threat kay Senator Bato, gusto naman niya pumasok. Thank you guys. Marami. That's normal. It's not,
But from
di ba?
the minority.
Parang pagsakay sa kotse ni Pia Cayetano yun, di man bawal eh.
Pero kung makausap from the minority bloc, from the minority.
Sir, kabilang ba dun sa
Ang instructions ko po,
Kailan sir nagsimula yung pag-convene
this
sa
morning, nagyayang kwentuhan. So sabi ko naman dun sa kausap ko, sabihin mo puntahan ako, sumali sa amin.
Pero yung pagkausap ba?
Hindi mo nagsabi sa inyong kinausap sila.
Yeah, I'll address that later. Basta expect that. I mean, magulat tayo kung wala, di ba?
SP, kayo rin po may kinakausap kayo na sumama sa inyo.
Sorry?
Kayo po may kinakausap din po ba kayo na sumama
So
sa inyo?
far, lahat ng kausap ko was in public, yung kantsawan sa floor. Tapos yung kausap kong isa kanina na nagbigay siya ng 2 pangalan, 2 senador, na kaibigan ko pareho. So sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko na masabi tuloy yung pangalan. Sabi ko sa kanya, pakisabi kung gusto nyo, sama ako. Tapos sumama na sila sa
Pero
atin.
yung
Natawa lang siya.
pagkausap sa mga kasama niyo, sir, ay para pumunta sa kanila sa kabilang bakod.
Hindi. Sila ang nagyayang makipag-usap.
Yun nga, sir, yung from the
Pero
minority
yun
bloc.
nga, kaya kami hindi nakapag-usap last week kasi minsan may kasamang pananakot. We consider it naman fake news.
Sir, anong kaso pa nanakot?
Matalino naman kayo eh. Alam niyo naman.
Okay.